Oh, hello there. Just to find out what happened to the rest of this portable soldering iron. Pity I can't find it, but I'll keep looking and see what I can do. Anyway, welcome to my channel. If you're a regular visitor, then good to see you again. Great to know you're coming back again, means we must be doing something right. If it's your first time here, then welcome. Great to make new friends. Have a look around the site, like videos you like, please share them with other people who you think they find useful, and finally, subscribe to the channel so that we can build subscribers up, get more effective and make more and better videos. Now, I always do a quick tip, and today we'll be looking at this Bluetooth speaker and microphone. Now, I know you're going to say, I've got a speaker on here that I can use for hands-free, but they're pretty tinny, not all that good, and these have a place. They're quite cheap. You just turn them on, wait for it to start. There you go. It'll go beep in a moment. There you go. It means it's connected. So you just connect this by Bluetooth, pair it to your phone, turn it on, and then it's got a microphone and a better quality speaker. So if you're making lots of hands-free video calls, sorry, hands-free phone calls, then you'll find this will be a very great way of saving time and giving you a better quality connection. So there we go. Turn that off to save the battery. Okay, a little while ago I did a video with an overview of organising your computer. And today we're going to take a bit of a deeper dive into how to set up your desktop so that you can find the programs more easily, and in fact you'll become aware of programs that you'll have forgotten about because you loaded them a long time ago for some specialist use. So let's get started. A little while ago I did a video about organising your computer, and that was really an overview of things. We're going to take a deeper dive in the next few videos I'm going to be making. So the first one I'm going to look at is how to organise your desktop so you can find the programs you want. I don't know about you, but I've got loads of programs, interesting ones I've found, which help me in certain aspects. But I've got so many of them, I just don't know where they are. So if I go and open the Start menu, go to my apps, you can see loads of them. Goodness knows how I'm going to find anything like that. So we need to find a more effective way to organise a program so I can get hold of the ones I want more efficiently. Now, one of the other problems is that when Windows adds a new icon to your desktop, it just puts it into a list. As you can see from this other desktop here, this is our good old friend Windows 7, but the same principle applies. So you've either got to search through the apps list trying to find what you want, or just look through all these icons displayed like that until you find what you want. Not really very helpful. So what can we do about it? Well, I want to create an icon for Paragon Hard Disk Manager. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Start menu, start typing in Paragon. Obviously anything can work for this, and I've got Hard Disk Manager, which is the one I'm looking for, and I want to open the file location, so I'll left click on that. We go to the file location, brings us across a bit. There's a program we want, right click it, down here, and we create a shortcut. As you can see, it says you can't create a shortcut here. Do you want a shortcut to be placed on the desktop instead? So I'll go yes please. Okay, get rid of that. Now where's it gone over? Here it is. You can see it's just plonked it down here in the list. Not very helpful. But the best thing is you can actually move icons around. So you can group them if you want to. So if I grab this, I can move it across and stick it up by these, for example. So I'm creating a little group here, little group over here, and all sorts of things. So I've got areas on my desktop which can be quite helpful. However, it gets to the point where if you've got hundreds and hundreds of programs, you need to do something more effective. So what we can do is we can create new folders on the desktop. So again, right click just on the desktop, down to new, create a new folder, and there's a new folder. We'll name it demo. Okay, and then we can just drag programs and things into it. So for example, I'll get this one, drag it into here, drag that one into here, and you see we've now got a little folder with a couple of programs in here. That's pretty good, but we can be even more effective than that. So if I drag Paragon Hard Disk Manager into hardware, we've opened that up. So it's now in my hardware folder. If I open that up, you can see we've got lots of things in here. But Paragon Hard Disk Manager can't really see it very easily, so I want to actually create a new icon. So let's right click on that, go to Properties, go to Shortcut, and we can change the icon here. Now, there's two locations for icons in Windows. There's imageres.dll and there's shell32.dll. And we'll go and look at those. So let's browse. And in order to get to imageres.dll, we go system root, / system32. Open that. Go down to image res, scrolling down. See, there's a lot in system32.dll. Image res.dll. There we go. Open the file, and this gives us loads of icons. So we can pick the one things that will be most useful for Paragon hard disk. Let's see. Almost too many to choose from, really, aren't there? Let's have a go on that one. Okay, that. And our Paragon hard disk manager looks like that. So it's easier, more graphical to be able to see it more quickly. We can do the same for folders. If I just minimize that, if we go back to our demo folder, right click it, down to properties, customize, move that so I can see it, change icon. In this one we've got shell32.dll, so again you can see lots of similar things, but there's a bit of variety towards the end. So we're just looking for the right folder. Let's just give it that. Okay, see, that's changed. So it becomes more graphical. Being able to sort of visualize things makes it easier to be able to find the programs you're looking for, rather than just having another folder icon, another folder icon, another folder icon. Makes it a lot easier. So there's a few tips on how to make your desktop more effective and more easier for you to work with. Hope you found it useful. As ever, great fun making this video. Hope you liked it. If you do, then please like it, share it with other people, and remember to subscribe to the channel so you know what's going to be happening in the near future. So, look for the future. We'll be doing other ones on organising folders, organising bookmarks. Make sure you subscribe so you can find out about those, and I'll see you soon.